In this tutorial, I will show you how to colorize your black and white photos for free. There's no need to sign up for any account, download an app or deal with a watermark. To start off, head to the LunaPic website. You can find it on a search engine, or click the link in the description box. Click the upload link on the tab, or on the banner, and then select the image you want to colorize. Once the image has been uploaded, hover the mouse cursor over to the Adjust tab at the top. Move the mouse cursor down the menu and then click the Colorize Old Photo option. Wait until color has been added to the image. If you like the results, then you can click Download Now to download the newly edited image. If you want to make additional adjustments, click Saturate Color instead. From there, you can move the slider to the left to add less color, or move it to the right to add more color. Once you are satisfied with your choice, click Set Saturation and then click Download Now. If this video helped you out, then you can show your support for this channel by hitting the like button.